Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add custom meta tags to your WordPress website. So search this plugin Meta Tag Manager. Easily add and manage custom meta tags to various parts of your site or on individual posts such as Yahoo and Google verification tags. So this is the useful and popular plugin to insert and add meta tag in your WordPress. Just search, install and activate. Guys, if you need help to learn how to use this plugin or if you are facing any problems, so comment. I will make a tutorial about this plugin. So thanks for watching today. In this short and basic video, we learn how to add and insert custom meta tag in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and guys, show your love by subscribing my channel.